So how do you make money with the YouTube Shorts? So in this session, you will learn how to make money with Fiverr. So what you want to do is you create your gig here. So you sign up for an account. I've already signed up in an account. So you create an account. Then if you are interested in web design, whatever you are interested in doing, so like if you see this one, you say I will create a responsive web design, $70. This one for $50, and this one goes up to $175 in this even online right now. And what I want to do is you create your gig, you put your price there, then you create a short. Like if you are doing web design, say welcome guys, if you want someone to create you a website that is it looks good, is so professional, and you give your things that you want to do, and so see these things here. You can learn from these people right here, and then you can also show them visuals of the websites that you have already designed. You can also put links to some of the designs that you have made, and then don't forget you also need to what can I say, you can also send people to your video description by directing them there, and also you can just tell them to go here on Fiverr and search your name so that they can get more from you, and you can then charge them here and say if you want a website, you can pay me $70, $50, or even $25, and they'll come here to Fiverr and purchase your gig. So let's look for this guy here. So let's actually continue and see what you can do with this guy. You can see he is charging $184, and the delivery time is 6 days. And as you can see, this guy will actually make money. So if you like add some of these things here, like add these things here, you want these things here, that will be $896. So you can make money from this just with YouTube Shorts. All you want to do is create your YouTube Shorts and then put it out there, like, oh, I'm a web designer, I'll create your website. So if you want interested in doing this, just click a link in the description of this YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, YouTube Shorts are getting like tens of millions like per day, so there's opportunity for that. So if you're interested in it, just look for it.